Welcome to my channel. How to fix Deco flashing red light. Check power connection. Ensure the Deco is properly plugged into a power outlet and receiving power to eliminate issues caused by power loss. Restart the Deco. Unplug the Deco device, wait for 10 seconds, and plug it back in to refresh the system. Check internet connection. Verify that your modem or main router is connected to the internet and functioning properly. Reposition the Deco. Move the Deco closer to the main router or modem to improve signal strength and connectivity. Reconnect cables. Disconnect and firmly reconnect all Ethernet cables to ensure stable connections. Restart the modem. Power cycle your modem by unplugging it, waiting for 10 seconds, and plugging it back in. Update firmware. Use the Deco app to check for and install firmware updates to fix bugs or compatibility issues. Reset the Deco. Hold the reset button on the Deco for 10 seconds until it restarts, and then set it up again using the Deco app. Check for interference. Remove devices or objects causing Wi-Fi interference, like walls, metal, or electronics near the Deco.